Truck actually runs very well. It's been sitting outside here now for a week or so. It's about -10 out. Let's see what we get. And the mileage currently on it is 67,225 kilometers. There's no check engine lights on. Oil pressure is good. Battery's good. All the lights work. There we go. Even on the radio. It's got an internal light, and as a matter of fact, one in the food truck area that you can turn on and off. So, manual windows, manual locks, nothing to go wrong there. It does have a few bruise marks on the vehicle, but very little. The rest of the truck is actually so clean, it's barely used. Likewise with this side, the handle needed some help staying on there, but the rest of it is in very good condition. Even the headliner is in good shape.